Enable Wi-Fi Direct from the printer control panel and then print from Windows directly to your HP LaserJet Pro printer. On the control panel, navigate to and open the Wi-Fi Direct status setting and then turn it on. On your computer, select Start. Type Printers and Scanners and then select it from the results. Select Add a printer or scanner. If displayed, select Show Wi-Fi Direct Printers. From the list of detected printers, select your printer with Direct in the name, and then select Add Device. If prompted to enter a WPS PIN, you must enter it within 90 seconds. Return to your printer and write down the 8-digit PIN displayed on the printer control panel. Enter the PIN, and then select Next. Windows completes the installation and the printer is added to the list of available printers. Open the document you want to print. Go to File, Print, or on your keyboard, press Ctrl and P, and then select your printer. Select OK or Print to print the document using Wi-Fi Direct.